Oh my God. I can't believe I just denied the obvious. Just like Peter just denied our savior. Someone that took the risks to save us from the nightmare we've been living in all these years.
God. Peter denied Jesus 3 times. You only denied Adoma just once. And you're here panicking. Now that same Peter was afraid of the Jews. He would have been stoned to death immediately by the angry Jews. But he had no other better option than to deny him. Even Jesus Christ himself understood. So tell me, what will you have us do? No, you want to lose your job? No, fine, if you want to lose your job. Me, I don't want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my job. That is what I'm using to take care of my family and my village people. Please, oh.
It's just that I feel so terrible. My conscience pricks me.
Don't see me when I get conscience now. Same here, but there's nothing I could have done. Because me, I don't want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my job at all.
My sisters, why are you worrying yourselves? Eh? You don't need to worry yourselves so at all. Even the Bible says that since the days of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violence, and only the violent taketh it by force. We are in the jungle, and you know, in jungle there is no brother, there is no sister. Only the smart animals survive. That is why it is called the survival of the smartest.
Your Majesty, my queen, please find it in your heart to forgive me. Please, I beg you. I promise you everything I said was the truth. I swear to God in heaven. My queen, I do not know why they denied and lied, but I'm sorry. I am just begging you for just one more chance. Just one more chance. And I promise I'll be a good girl. I will not cause any trouble. I won't say anything anymore. Please, I don't want to go back to my parents. They will be devastated. Please, my queen, I beg you. Please. Please. I beg you.
You would have thought of all those things before you did what you did. Well, your services are no longer needed in this place. You're a very bad influence. So you will go back to your room, remove the palace uniform, and wait for the next order. Leave.
Thank you, my queen.
I'm sorry, but I told you, you shouldn't have. I do not need your apology. And I certainly do not need your explanation. Fine, but shh, please. Okay, fine, but please. I am done here.
Hey! So finally, Deputy Jesus, Virgin Mary, Afamulu Jesu is leaving the palace. Hey, Azuka, you are a great prophetess. A very great one. That is why they are neglecting you. Did I not prophesy about it? I prophesied about this. 24 hours that I prophesied about it. Otasu. Ombe, now it has happened. Listen, let me tell both of you. Henceforth, you should be bringing your tithes and offerings to me. To avoid generational curses. Bring ye your tithes and offerings to me.
She fired you? But we warned you. We warned you. Oh my God. I can't believe I just denied my colleague who was fighting for us. Now she has lost her job. Oh God. Adoma, will you ever forgive me?
Your Majesty, good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hope all is well, ma'am. But my too. Okay, I should be coming right away. Okay, ma'am. Right now? Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'm on my way, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll be there right away, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
What kept you?
I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I had an emergency. I had to take my mom to the hospital. And my dad is not around, so I couldn't have left her with my younger ones.
Okay, it's fine. Just that the queen summoned all of you. But I already told her that you went to see your sick mother.
Oh, thank you. Do I need to go see her?
I don't think there is need.
Thank you so much.
Crying? And why are you not in uniform? Mother, please talk to me. What is it? Oh my God. Wait. It shouldn't be what I'm thinking. Guys, what happened? Why is Adoma not dressed? And why is she crying?
Choma.
Someone talk to me, please.
She has been fired.
Jesus, eh? Ah.
You heard me.
Oh, God, why now? Why? Why?
Are you asking me? Huh? You should go and ask her. Maybe she's your friend. Go and ask that dirty girl. That daughter of a nobody that was picked from the gutters. Instead of her to be thankful, instead of her to be celebrating, to be excited that the prince of this kingdom finds her attractive. In fact, she was supposed to appreciate him by throwing herself freely into his bed. But no! She refused to succumb to what the prince wants. As if that is not enough, she went to report him to the queen. Can you beat that?
No. This is not right. So the queen fired her because she reported her son to her. No, it's not right. It's not even fair. It's not.
Wait. Assistant Jesus, I want to understand something here. Are you by any chance supporting her stupidity? Huh? Chizoba. Chizoba. It be like say body don't do they sweet you for this palace. It be like say you want collect woto. No, she go soon collect. She be you want collect. Huh?
Azuka, we are all humans and we deserve better. Yes, we do.
Preach on, Daddy. Choir mistress, sing on. I can hear you, I am not deaf. Do you know what you will do? Just go down there to the queen. Repeat everything that you have just said here in her presence. Let me see if you will still have that pineapple on your head. And no fear.
Azuka, life doesn't end in the palace, you know.
I think they do want to know, John. A person about ifere naba o. Oniro naba o. Ifere naba o. Hallelujah, somebody.
I wouldn't blame you for your decision. I've contemplated so many times on reporting the prince. I wouldn't blame you for your decision. I've contemplated so many times of reporting the prince, but the fear of losing my job keeps holding me. I don't blame you. I never will. Maybe you're a sacrificial lamb.
I wish you were there. You needed to have seen them. The queen asked all of them if the prince has ever assaulted or asked any of them to his bed, and they denied.
What?
She's what? They all denied me. I thought I was fighting a good cause. Yeah, I thought I was fighting for all of us, but it turned out that the people I was fighting for turned around and betrayed me. They chose the fat salary they receive at the end of every month over their own dignity. These are future mothers, future wives. You know, I'm not even sad that I lost my job. No, I am just pained that the queen now sees me as a liar.
I want to go meet the queen. I need to tell her all you said was true. And then let her not mind the pretenders. I need to go.
Please don't. There is no need for that. It's just a matter of time and things will come to light. I know it.
But I need to tell her that all you said was true. I need to. She needs to know.
But absolutely. Look at you. You have slept with the prince countless times. Now you want to go and lose your job. If you end up losing both ways, there is no point.
She needs to know. Somebody needs to tell her about it. We're going through so much here already. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Your Majesty, you seem not to be happy.
I am not happy.
Who offended my queen?
One of the girls you brought to serve me.
Oh, the girls I brought. Oh my God. Who among them my queen?
Adoma.
Adoma? My queen. She's my most favorite of them all.
Maybe that's why she thinks she's different. That girl is a threat to this palace. And she must be evicted immediately. Therefore, I relieve her of her duty. This minute. The head of the servants will bring her salary to you.
Your Majesty, please don't be offended with me. Can I at least be given the privilege to know offenses, to avoid further occurrences from subsequent girls?
She's an adult. And she is neither dumb nor deaf. Have a nice day.
What happened?
The prince.
The prince did what?
The prince despises all the maidens in the palace. He sleeps with them at will, against their consent. He wanted to try it with me, I refused. And he lied against me to the queen. I tried to tell her the truth about what happened, but she won't believe me.
Why did you come and tell me first? Why do you have to report the prince to the queen?
Very sorry, ma. It's just that he lied against me. I needed to clear my name.
But Komose should have told you that this will land you in trouble and will amount to your sack. Now see where you have landed yourself. What are you going to tell your poor parents?
Hey, where are you guys going to?
Greeting my prince. The queen just fired her.
What? Fired her for what? Why? What did she do? And you? What did you do?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Tell me what you did. Madam, please. Let us go.
Okay. Very well then. I'll be with my mom.
Don't make me believe you are this stubborn. Let's go.
Mother, what's going on?
What's going on where?
The maid that you fired.
Her services are not needed anymore.
Oh.
Do you have a problem with that?
Not really. Just that I thought you promised me not to. What is going on, Mother?
Well, I changed my mind when she started ignoring my calls.
She did?
Yes, she did. By the way, why all these questions? Is there something you're not telling me?
No, nothing serious. It's nothing, Mother. Never mind. Excuse me, please. So finally I didn't have this girl. And she left the palace. Hey. Prince Ukoma. This is not you at all. You always get whatsoever you go after. How can a prince like me lust and desire after a common palace maid and fail to have her? No, this doesn't sound right. It's not right at all.
Please, have pity on us. Take a look at my wife. Take pity on us. Remember, to err is human, but to forgive is only divine. Please, pity us. Look at my wife.
Madam. Auntie, please. You are only hope, our last hope. Please, help us beg Her Majesty to take our daughter back. Please. Biko, please. Oh.
You talk as though I have the power to help, but don't want to help you. It's not my decision here. It's the queen's decision. And her decisions are final.
My daughter, it is not final. Please. There is something you can do for us.
It's already too late. There's nothing I can do.
It is not too late. It is not too late. See, our daughter has been spoken to. And she has been scolded. She will never do it again. Please, please, please.
You see, as it is now, there's nothing I can do. There's nothing. It's not my decision. It's the Queen's decision. It's too late already. There's nothing I can do.
No, it can't be too late. There is something you can do. There must be something you can do.
Something like what? Like what?
Like talking to the Queen on our behalf.
Yes.
Because I'm sure she will listen to you. Because, please, my sister.
As it is, I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to say.
Oh no longer. You just kill us. Please. Please, madam. Please.
Mama, she said no.
Who are you asking? Eh? Onye Najo, Adoma. Look at you. You know everything. You know how we were chased out, how we are excommunicated from our own home. You know everything, Adoma. You know how we were chased out without anything. Nothing at all. And you also knew that we are sojourners in this land. God in His infinite mercy. God in His infinite mercy helped us by letting you get this job in the palace. A whole palace! A whole palace in this strange land. You got there, messed up everything, ruined our only chance of survival. And you are here asking me.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, Wogeba.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to.
Why you call Kana here? Kana nebe. Let's be going. Leave this girl. Let's go. Leave her. Let's leave her.
Ebelebe is going out of hand. You need to caution him.
How do you mean? I don't get it.
The way he goes around calling himself prince, telling everyone who cares to listen to him that his late mother got pregnant for the late king. This thing will land him a problem. Oh. It is not good at all.
So what am I supposed to do? Ebelebe is an adult. He knows what he wants for himself. I'm not his father, neither am I his guardian.
But you are his friend. You
Of
can
course.
advise him. Yes.
Advise him.
Yes. That is what friends do for friends.
Okay, baby, I've heard, but come to think of it, what if he is actually telling the truth? What if he is a prince? Have you thought about that?
Uchako, I've been looking for you everywhere now.
Talk of the devil.
Uchako,
Talk of the devil. We're just talking about you before you walked in.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, for real, bro. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
I said good afternoon. What do you mean good afternoon? Which one is good afternoon? Say good afternoon, my prince. Which one is good afternoon? In Enyekwe orientation, which one is good afternoon?
I don't have your time. I'll be at home waiting for you.
Baby girl.
Do you ask her to go? Is that how
Look
she
here,
did?
my friend, let me tell you. Everybody is now seeing you as a news, and you have to play caution now, bro. One day we'll leave now. And all the time, prince.
Uchako,
You have spoiled something for me now.
wait, is this supposed to be an insult? You are insulting me now?
Insulting you?
Yes, that I'm telling people my true identity. How is it causing nuisance? Why are you insulting me now?
Your true identity.
Yes.
See what you've made me miss.
Miss what?
Abeg, get out.
You're working out on me. Because of Wanye, because of Wanye. Makere butter pipe, kids are walk out on me. Uchaka, afugo mnutu, uche akwagoge. Me causing nuisance. Genwaku.
Angel, please wait. Angel, please stop, please.
Where is that nuisance of a friend?
Exactly what I told him. That guy is becoming a public nuisance with this his whole prince thing.
Oh really? You told him?
Yes, I did.
That's good for him.
So can we please go back to where we were before he interrupted us, please? Baby girl. Please don't say no. You know you are my baby girl. Baby. Let's go.
You know this is what you used to do every time. Like apologizing a lot.
That's why you are my baby.
I can't believe what I heard.
What did you hear again?
I heard that the queen sacked one of the new girls.
Sacked? Which of the girls? Is it Zoka or the new one from the neighboring village?
The new girl, Mama.
He? What's her crime?
I don't know, but the news have it that she disobeyed the queen.
Disobeyed the queen? I don't believe that. I don't think she has any reason to disobey the queen. So she must have done something else apart from disobeying the queen.
Mama, if she didn't disobey the queen, so what would have been her crime?
Honestly, I don't know. But disobey the queen, I don't think she has any reason for that at all. If you ask me. Honestly.
Okay. The queen will need a new girl now. Let's go and meet Achaluga and see if...
Hold it there. I've told you I don't want to hear that woman's name for any reason at all. Did you get me? In Anuya?
Yes, Mama.
In Nugoya?
Yes, Mama.
I don't want to.
Sorry, Mama.
I told you to relax. Something better will come up. Let that woman just be. Let her be.
I'm sorry for making you angry.
No,
sorry.
Just that I'm pissed off with her kind of person now.
Oluchi, you cannot continue being like this for the rest of your life. You have to forgive yourself and move on. What has happened has happened.
Move on so fast? We betrayed our friend and she lost her job that feeds her and her family. And you want me to forget about her just like that?
People lose their loved ones and still move on with their lives.
At least they still mourn the departure of the disease before moving on with life. It's barely 3 days our friend was sacked.
I know, but you just have to forgive yourself. The past is gone already. Don't allow the past to ruin the chances of the present. That's all I am saying.
I've heard you.
Fine. If you've heard me, then let's go and play, okay?
No, please.
Can you just come out of this mood already? Let's just go and play.
No.
Chino, it's okay. Let's just go.
No.
Everybody now avoids me like a plague. Even my best friend Uchako. Is it a crime that I was born by my mother after the king got her pregnant? Or did I commit any crime by telling them my origin? They have been gossiping with me all my life, calling me a bastard, one without a father. Now that my mother had revealed my paternity to them, and I am telling them, they are seeing me as a nuisance. What do I do now? No, I can't stop saying this. Let the elders call me. Let the queen, even the prince, call me. Let them call me. Let the Nouah call me. I will still stand my ground and tell them who I am. My mother cannot lie to me with such a delicate matter. She told me the truth, and on that truth I must stand until I'm taken back to the palace where I belong.
be knocking on the princess's door at this time of the night?
Did you hear that knock?
Who was that?
I don't know. I heard some strange sound. Did you hear it?
Excuse me.
Sorry?
Get out of my room.
What? Are you good? Are you looking for something? Tell me. Let me handle it. Okay? What up? That was too close. What came over you? Huh?
I'm sorry. I just couldn't sleep. I needed to be with you. I tried as much as I could to sleep, but the urge to be with you was just so much. I couldn't resist it.
I don't get you. The urge to be with me? As who? As your husband or your boyfriend? I don't get it. The urge to be with me. I don't... wait. How many times did I tell you that having a thing with you do not mean that I'm your husband or your boyfriend? Eh? We had a thing. You are a palace maid. You are a palace maid in this palace, right? So you should keep it at that. Did you hear what I said? Stupid girl. So, this is how you would have landed me into trouble had I not opened that door for my mother. Eh? You dirty palace maid. Get out of this place, now. What is that? What is that? Huh?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Get out. Get out! Hold on, I want to know. What gave you the guts? Tell me, what gave you the guts?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Come on, get out of this place now. Get out!
I promise it won't happen again.
I said get out. Get out. Hey. Get out of this place. Hey, hold it there. Stupid girl. Foolish girl. What would I have told my mother? Huh? I was so close, so close, so close.
Don't bother sneaking. Every one of us is awake.
Was I hiding? Huh? Did I tell you I was hiding? Besides, who will I be hiding from?
Azuka,
you're a disgrace. You should be ashamed of yourself. And why will I be ashamed of myself? Am I the prince that...
Nobody called you Azuka. Nobody called you. I was awake all along. I saw you sneak out of this room. I was even the one that woke others up. Have some dignity, Azuka.
I see. So another deputy Jesus have emerged. Huh? Did you ask questions? Did you ask the former deputy Jesus how far? Ijuro? Then you need to go and ask questions. Because if you do not leave me alone in this palace, that thing you are looking for, you will get ×2. Allow me. You are just looking for my trouble. Please let me be. Let me be. Allow me to live my God-given life in peace. This is the life I have chosen for myself. Let me live it. It is my life and nobody else's life. Please.
Azuka zukwanu Iyke. Zukwanu Iyke. Hewo.
So now you want to sleep? You want to sleep?
Why won't she sleep?
Shift.
You're a disgrace.
Azuka, please allow us to sleep this night. Please. Allow us to sleep.
See,
please allow us.
Your cursed family. You can bring your family. You think you are useful? You will not sleep. You will not sleep. I will.
What do you want from me? Are you pestering me? Why are you making it look like I'm the one that sacked your daughter from the palace? It's not my decision. It's the queen's decision. And there's nothing I can do about it.
My daughter, we have been here for a while. Please, listen to us. We came earlier on and were told you went out. But we decided to wait because this is very important. We came for a totally different reason entirely. Please.
What reason?
Can you please take us to the queen? Yes. We believe that if we see the queen one-on-one and she sees our predicament and how tattered and suffering we look, she might have a change of heart and accept our daughter back again. Please.
Please, auntie. Please, don't say no. As it is now, we don't even have another choice. If we had other choices, we wouldn't have been here. Please, help us.
What if she does not accept your plea?
At least, we would have tried. We would have satisfied our conscience. And if she does not allow our daughter come back, we'll hand everything over to God. Please. Please, auntie.
She's a poor girl, she has nobody to defend her. You accuse her unjustly.
I want to see the queen.
Sorry, do you intend seeing the queen with them?
I don't understand. Are they not humans?
No, not in that context. Actually, the queen will not be happy seeing them dressed this way.
Jide, what is wrong with you?
He's right. we shouldn't be in the palace dressed like this. If he can go and inform the queen that we want to see her on a matter of life and death, that will be fine.
Did you hear that?
Sir, please don't be offended. I'm just walking through instructions. I'll do exactly what you said.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mother, please allow me. Eh? What is all this? Allow me. I know how to handle it. You don't need to worry yourself.
You think so?
Yes, I know what to do.
Okay.
Yes. You will see it.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my prince.
Yeah. Any problem?
Your Majesty, Asharugo brought in a couple. They said they are here to see you on a matter of life and death.
Acharugo?
Yes, Your Majesty.
A matter of life and death?
Yes.
Let them in.
Oh, Your Majesty, I would suggest you go out and meet them instead. I can't bring them in the way they are dressed inside the palace.
I've heard you.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. Greetings. May your day be like tomorrow, because tomorrow has no end.
Greetings, highly favored queen of Umudi land. And greetings to your crown prince.
Greetings. Acharugo, who are these people?
Your Majesty, since the day you sent their daughter, Maid Adoma, out of the palace, they have vowed never to allow me have peace. I have tried everything I could to make them understand that I have no hand in their daughter's sack, but they just wouldn't understand. And they've been begging that I should bring them to you, so that they can come and speak with you. And so that's why I brought them, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, you are the God we see on earth. We are humble subjects, and today we fall at your feet to beg for mercy. We do not presume to be worthy to be in your presence. But we were banished from our kingdom, and we ran up to your kingdom for succor and for survival. Please do not refuse us. If you refuse us, we shall surely die. Do not let us die in this state, my queen.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Our daughter's acceptance into this palace as a maid was our last hope. Our last hope, Your Majesty. And now, due to carelessness, that hope is gone. Please, please, Your Majesty, please, don't leave us. If you leave us, hunger will kill us, and the birds of the air will feed on our carcasses. Please, Your Majesty, if not for anything, for our sakes, look at us. Look at us, Your Majesty. Forgive our daughter's mistake. We are begging you, please.
So, these are the parents to that arrogant girl?
My prince, we are the worthless parents to that girl. Please, forgive our transgressions. Forgive our daughter, please. Please.
Right. So, what are you people asking me to do? To accept back someone I sacked?
My queen, please, yes.
Yes.
Please.
Yes, Your Majesty. Yes.
Well, if that is the reason you have come to see me, I'm sorry. I cannot help you.
Mother, please. I join to their plea. Can you give her a second chance, if possible? Please. Please. Okay? Let's just allow her. I beg you.
Hey! Wonder shall never end. Hey! What? Ne. Hey! I cannot believe what my eyes saw some minutes ago. Like, why was that girl forming like a deputy Jesus?
What's that?
Do you know the problem I have with you now? If I tell you what my eyes saw out there, you will not believe me.
Just say it, Azuka. Say it.
Will you believe me?
Say it first.
Okay. Chizoba.
Azuka.
You need to see this girl's parents.
Azuka, are you alright?
I wish I am. I think I was before I saw those people. Girl, the people I saw out there, no, the things I saw out there are very dirty. In fact, they stink. Men looking at them, I can tell they have not had their baths for the past 5 years.
And so? And so what? What's your own, Azuka?
You're still not getting my point. Like you are not understanding me.
Make me understand you.
What was puffing that girl? What was giving her the conscience? What was giving her the morale? What was making her act like a saint as if she was the one that gave birth to Jesus? Huh? She was forming like a somebody. Meanwhile, that girl is nothing. She is absolutely nothing. It disgusts me.
Yeah, Azuka. Before you met me, I was about to go do some work, okay? And please, stop the rant and get busy.
Just a feather. I wonder how your parents will look like the day they will come to this palace. Ndala. Dirty things. If my parents were to be this poor, I will commit suicide. What am I living for with this kind of useless parents? They go to
After seeing their true identity, I've been wondering what gives you the nerves, what gives you the audacity, what gives you the mind to be proud and for you to as well reject my advances. Coming from that poor home, you still maintain that useless word of I want to maintain my dignity as a woman. What dignity are you talking about? Which dignity are you talking about?
I'm sorry, my prince.
You're sorry? You should be happy that you're having a thing with the Crown Prince of Umudim Kingdom. Yes, you should be jumping up and down by now. That I desire you. That I want to have something to do with you. To do with a low life like you. I want to have something to do with you now. Yes, I want to feed you now. So, get ready. Let's do it.
My prince, please. I beg you. Just ask me for anything else to show appreciation. I will do it. I'm sorry.
And what do you think you can do for me? Tell me. What do you think you can do for me?
Anything at all. Anything.
You cannot do anything for me. You do not have money. What do you think you can give to me? Tell me.
My prince, it's just...
Hey, I want to have you. Let me just have
my prince, I made a vow. I made a vow to my Chi that any man that would touch me would only be my husband. Please,